students. Welcome to your math lesson of the day. Some of you, this is your first math lesson, so welcome to Miss Schultz's math class. Normally at the beginning of every math lesson, we work on the number form of the date. So we are currently in the month of, it has holidays such as Columbus Day and Halloween, and it begins with the letter O. October, you guessed correctly. Now, if we hold up our fingers together and count till we hit the month of October, let's figure out what number we land on when we get to the month of October. So hold up your fingers and count with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Now, I counted 10 fingers, so what I like to do is begin the written number form of the day by writing the number 10. Now, some people put slashes on the date. Some people put dashes. Either way, it's totally fine. Now, if I was to show you a new window of the calendar, let's see. Let's figure out what day we are on. Are we on Sunday? No, because if we were on Sunday, we would not be having school. Today, since it's your first class, we usually begin every day of the week on a Monday. Now, are we on the 5th? No. Are we on the 12th? No, we are not. Are we on the 19th? That was last week. This is the number 26th day of the month. So if you look on the calendar, there's 31 days in total in October. But we are on the 26th day of October. So we'll go back to our writing page and we'll write the day. So we're on 26. Let me make my 2 a little bit better. 26. Now we have the month. We have the day. What else do we need? We need the year. Now, currently, we're in the year of 2020. Some people put the full 4 digits of the year, or some others put the last 2 digits of the year. So 2020. And what day is it? Today is Monday. I'm going to write that in a different color. Today is Monday. And remember, we put all caps on our days of the week. Whoop. Monday. And in our sentences with a period. So the month is October, the day is the 26th, and the year is 2020. And there's 31 days in October, which the 31st of October is Halloween. So if we go back to our calendar, let's count how many more days do we have left to the big holiday. So we are on the 26th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 more days till Halloween. That's less than a week away. That's so exciting. But if you think about it, we actually have 5 days to our big Halloween party. So I'm super excited about that. So 5 more days. We're almost there, guys. But yes, we talked about how to write the number form of the date. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that. And I know we're on different levels of math, but we have been reviewing number counting skills at Greenlee. But I think we should be brave today and count to the number 100. I think we could do it because I know all of you guys are so smart. So let's count together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoop. There we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 70. Whoop! I almost skipped 77. Silly me. 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. We're almost there to 100. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. We did it, guys. We counted to 100, the big 3-digit number. Woo, we did it. Celebrate. Give your neighbor a high five or a hug or something. But look at all of that work. Look at how many numbers are on that I've written down. That's crazy. But yes, we counted to 100, and now I'm out of breath. Now I'll let you guys have a couple minutes to look over that. Now, I know Gooch kids are probably at a different chapter in Big Ideas, but I think what we're going to do is take a step back and just review the earlier chapter. So we're not going back super far. We're going to probably be in late chapter 2. So if you want to refer back to your big red textbook for Big Ideas, you can start on 2.8, because at Greenlee we just finished learning about counting up on the number line. So we're going to be reviewing subtraction while using the number line, which is my favorite thing to talk about. Okay? I'm going to erase my beautiful 0 to 100 work away, which is so sad because I feel like I did a good job on that. Bye-bye. Now, so we're on 2.8 in Big Ideas, like I mentioned earlier. So what I'd like to start out first is just writing out my number line. Since we're only working from 0 to 10, let's go ahead and write out 0 through 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoop. Let me redo that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, everyone has a different learning style, and that's totally fine. But if you like the number line, that's great. But if you don't, there's other ways of math to do subtraction and how to solve for addition equations. But the great thing about math is that you can use several different ways to solve for one problem to have one answer. But some methods of solving the problem are harder than others for some people. But let me give you an example. So we're going to say we had 9 pieces of Reese's Pieces. We had 9 Reese's Pieces in total. but you were super hungry during lunch, so you just snacked on 3 of them. So you had 3. Now remember, in addition equation problems, we're adding things, we're putting things together. And since we didn't eat 3, or since we did not gain 3 candies, we lost 3 because we ate 3. We're going to be using the subtraction symbol because we're taking away 3 candies because we ate them. And then we'll use our good old equal sign to equal our difference. Now, another thing I'd like to review in subtraction equation problems, since we're not learning about negatives, always put the bigger number first in the subtraction equation problem. Because if you look on the number line, 9 is way bigger than 3. Because if you wrote your problem down 3 minus 9, that's not going to be right. No, because that will equal a different number. But we'll not get into that. But for now, for subtraction equations, always put the bigger number. Remember, you want to eat the bigger number. Yum, 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 yum. First in this subtraction equation. Okay, so 9 is bigger than 3. So that's why 9 is written down first in this subtraction equation problem. Or you can write it vertical like this way, or you can write it 9 minus I want to keep my numbers in sync. 9 minus 3, okay? So you can write it down either way, whatever your brain, whatever you like better. Either way, those problems will equal the same answer. That's totally fine. But since we're taking away, that means we're getting closer to this guy. We're losing numbers. So, because remember, if we're losing numbers, we're getting closer to 0. But if you're gaining numbers, we're going in this direction. We're gaining, so we're getting more numbers. So we're going to be moving on up away from 0. So we look at our number 9. So we're going to put a little dot right here. And since we're losing some, we're going to be going closer to 0. So how many do you think will go closer to 0? We're going back 3 times. 3 times. So if we count backwards, 1, 2, 3, we land on the number 6. There we go. Let me write my number 6 better. 6. And then on this problem will equal 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. But if you're not sure about using the number line, you're like, oh, I don't know if I did that right. I don't know if I counted backwards right. Then you can also try it a different way. You can use number counting skills. So let me show you guys this way. So if you want to check your work using the number line, you're going to put 9 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But since you ate 3... Yum, 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 yum. You ate 3. How many do you have left now? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you counted your work using that method, and you're like, well, I got 6 too, so I did this problem right. That means I know this is the answer. I know this is the difference. 9 minus 3 equals 6, and that's the difference. Okay, let's try another problem to practice our skills. So I'm going to keep my number line, but I'm going to erase everything else. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's always good to show your work, too, to show your teacher how you got your answer, so the teacher can see how you thought about the problem. And in math, there's several different ways to solve the problem because there's different methods, which is really awesome. Now, we're going to fast forward into the future. We went fast forward 6 days, and it's Halloween. And at the beginning of trick-or-treating, this is your first house. You got 6 green airheads. This is the spooky airheads. They glow in the dark. It's amazing. So you got 6 airheads, but you were so excited about them, you had 3 on the road. So remember, since we're not gaining, we're losing airheads since you ate 3 of them. So you lost 3 airheads. So 6 minus 3, and then you'll put your equal sign. Or you can write your problem 6 minus 3. and then equals. So either way, if you prefer to do it sideways, if you prefer to do it horizontal, either way is totally fine. Whatever makes you think better at your math best self. That's what I like to say. So, and since we ate 3 airheads, and remember, since 6 is bigger than 3, we're going to put the 6 first. The bigger number always goes first in the subtraction equation problem. So we're going to put a dot on 6, and since we ate 3, you know you're going to lose some candy. So you're going to go back how many times? 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. And look, you landed on 3. 3. 3 is your difference. 3 is your answer. But you're like, I don't know if I used that correctly on the number line. I don't know if I miscounted or misdrawn. Whatever. I want to double check my work. Let's double check it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 airheads that you started out trick-or-treating with. But you were super excited about to try it because this was the special edition glow-in-the-dark ones. You ate 3. So 1, you ate 1. 2, you ate 2. 3, you ate 3. So how many do you have left over? 1, 2, 3. And look there. That's also your answer that you got from the number line. You got 3. Okay, let's try another one to practice. Actually, I'm going to say, I'm going to try a more difficult problem. We're going to play a mystery number game using the number line, which is super fun. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, we are going to pretend, let's see, I'm going to use the blue marker. We're going to say a problem's already written out for you. 7 minus equals what? So you see a problem like this and you're like, okay, we know 7 is bigger than 6. That's why it's written down first. And you're going to take away 6. So we're trying to figure out how many we have left over. So you're going to put your dot on 7. And then you're going to go back how many times? 6 times. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You landed on the number 1. And you want to double check your work. That's totally fine. Let's do the dots method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7, but we're going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look, we also have 1. We did it. We got it right. Yay. We did our math right. Celebrate. Okay. Now, that's all I'm going to be reviewing for you today, and I'm going to give you guys practice problems. But if you guys have any more questions, feel free to contact me in my office hours, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.